Okay guys, welcome back. Now in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you table of contents. So this is it there. So now I'm going to show you. If you check the video, you're going to see table of content like the part by part. Understand? So anyone you have to skip it. Understand? You have to skip it since you know it. Then but if you don't know it, you have to continue. Since the video is 24 minutes, understand? So so that it will not be long for you, I'm going to be doing detailing of the hair and all that. But before I do that, this is what you need to do. I want to change the color of the eyes, understand? So I will click on the eyes, understand? I'm going to click on the eyes. Now I'm going to change the color of the eye the way I want it to be. So before I do the hair detailing, I'm going to select the color I want. So this is how you can select the color you want by using this. So you can change the color, you can increase the saturation, and you can darken it. So this is what you're going to be doing on here. So after this, after changing the color, this is what you need to do. You remember the first layer I created, understand? So this is what I'm going to do as it's detailing. So you zoom it like this. Now click here. I'm going to select brush one for editing. Brush one, so I'll drag it up. So I'm going to be using brush one. So now after selecting brush one, I'm going to turn it to black. Now I'm going to show you like this. So we are into drawing of the hair now. So this is what you need to be doing. Understand? Increasing, reducing, follow, trace it like this. Understand? So this is what you're going to be doing. So I'm going to be a little bit fast so that I'll save time. So this is all what you're going to be doing. It's very simple and easy to do. So watch out. So after you're done, fill it. We're going to fill it. So after you trace it like this, click on the compact, then fill. Click on the fill. You fill it. So make sure everything is correct, like everything is filled, like there is no space inside anything. Because if there is a space, it will not fill. Understand? It will not fill. It will fill everywhere. So what you have to do is to make sure you trace it very well. Understand? Now make sure it's very thick, because if you are using it light, it's not going to do it, it's not going to feel. So this is what we're going to do here. I'm going to use my technical pen, then stroke it like this. If you have a better way to do it, you can also do it like that. Okay, let me share this idea with you guys. Now this what works on me. Before I started designing, I check my results, what I'm going to get. Now you must not use the same tool I use, understand? There's other alternative. I like I normally used to say, they said there's many ways to market. There's many ways to achieve this stuff, and there's a better way to achieve it. So now you must not use the same tool I use. That's the best thing. Like some of my old students that I thought they would be like After they finish designing, they will post it. Um, they will write just playing with my tools. So you have to learn how to like improve on your own, like to be the best of yourself and learn a better way to do that. You cannot improve without like um testing your tools, like testing this tool, testing this one, whether this one worked, will this one achieve what I want to do, will this one do what I want to do. So if you cannot do it, if you cannot test other tools, you cannot be able to break out from that box you are, because I like thinking outside box. So now this is what I'm going to do, create a layer. Now um we're going to do the edges, so click, then advanced, size with light pressure, make it 0 0.1. Understand? Now stroke it like this. Now this is what I'm saying. Yours may be different. Like when you are doing this, you have many methods of doing it. You can use brush one for it. Like me, I prefer using this technical pen, then reduce the light with pressure and blah blah blah. Yeah. So now this is what I'm going to be doing. Stroke it like this. This is what I know to do. Some the easiest way and the smartest way to do it is using brush one. Understand? Then you clean it with your eraser. So this is what I'm going to be doing here. So there is many method, like many ways to market. So this is what I'm going to be doing. Very simple. Now this method that works for me, I love doing. Understand that look okay for me, and this is what I'm going to be doing. So after this, you're going to select your brush one. Now fill it like this. This is what I'm going to do. Just stroke it around. So stroke it like this. Now after that, so after I'm done, I'm going to open the layer, the skin layer, to check it because I want to clean the edges. So now click here, then select the eraser. Now clean it, the edges. Going to clean the edges, reduce the opacity. It must not be one actually, so that you'll be fast. You can make it 2 to 3, understand? Then clean the edges like this. Now watch out how I'm going to do my. This is it. After I'm done, I'm going to create a layer above it, understand? So I will make it more realistic. So this is what I'm going to do. Above, create a layer plus. Now I'm going to select the same technical pen. Now make it one, understand? make it 0 0.5, I'm going to say. So this is what I'm going to do. It will look more realistic, like well done work. So can you see how beautiful it's looking? Wow, looking so beautiful. Now guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to like this video if you are really enjoying it. Then if you find anywhere difficult, don't forget to drop a comment below so that I'll be able to see a best way to explain it to you. Now, so after this, you're going to see how it looked like now, because I love enjoying stroking like this. Understand? I love enjoying it instead of using my brush one. Like it's only for lazy people. Sorry for that. Like I love using this because it gives me what I want. So I love using this. Actually, you can use brush one. Brush one is perfectly okay. Like it will still give you the same results. But I love doing it like this. Like now, don't forget I'm using technical pen. The size is 0 0.5. Now this is what I'm doing. Very okay, right? So I hope to see your own more beautiful and more finer than my own. So when I'm done, I'm going to make it to be bold, like increase it to 0 0.7, then stroke it like this so that it will come out because it's not showing when if you anytime you zoom it out. So this is what I'm doing here. Now, once I'm done, I'm going to show you what I've been explaining on part one. That once I open the hair, it's going to once I open the hair, it's going to cover those skin parts that are coming out. Now this is it here. And see it's covering other skin parts. So after everything now, we're going to open the clothes and the top. Now close the original one, close the layer, then the one that flow through to this, open it. Now I'm going to merge the black that we drew. Now I'm going to merge them so that there will be one layer. So can you see what I'm telling you? It's covering the skin. Can you see that? Looking wow, looking amazing. No. So now I'm going to drag this one up above. So the next one I'm going to be drawing, we're going to be detailing the hair, like make it more realistic, like detailing it. So now I'm going to drag this one above here. So the next one, create a layer above the picture. So the next one we're going to be doing is the hair detailing. So create a layer above. Okay, now I'm going to show you what I mean by playing with your tool. Now I'm going to use technical pen. Make sure it's very sharp. So I'm going to stroke it. Understand? I want to turn it to white because of this detail. So change it to white. So this is what I'm going to do. Stroke it like this. So now I'll as I'm doing it, I'll be looking for a tool, like a tool that can be okay, like I'll come out realistic, I'll come out okay. So I'll be kind of stroking with technical pen. Then later I will change another tool so that you can see which one is more preferable. So now I'm going to use brush one so I will see it. So brush one is not giving me what I want. Understand? So I'm going to try it one more time. Then not looking kind of realistic of a thing. I have to change, and change. Now watch what I'll do here. This is what I mean by playing with your tool. So now this the differences. Understand? It's not giving me what I want. I don't like it. It's not looking what I want. Like it's not looking okay. So I'm removing it. Understand? I'm removing it. So I'm going to use better pencil or better pen. So I'm going to try using permanent pencil. So now my permanent pencil is kind of like shining everything, kind of giving me what I want. So I'll see. Can you see now that this brush one is not okay? So now I decided to change to primary pencil. Now I'm going to show you how primary pencil look like, whether it's okay, whether it's better than technical pencil. Can you see that? Now I'm going to show you once I'm done doing this. So after that, I'm going to close this layer, then use my eraser, soft eraser to erase the edges. So click on my soft eraser. Now I'm erasing the edges. So this one I use technical pen, right? And the other ones I'm going to use primary pencil on it. So now this is it. Your I thought that your flow must not be one on your um eraser, soft eraser. You can increase it to be fast enough. Now you can make it 1 to 4 or 5, but be careful, don't make it so it will the opacity will be high. Just lower it. Can you see that? Now watch out. Now you're going to see what I'm saying, whether which one is more preferable. So can you see that? Now I'm um going to clean all this. I'm going to fill all this place because of the opacity, because of the tolerance, I mean to say, when we are filling it, the tolerance was not too high, so that's why it did not feel very well. Now let's continue. um After this, so this is what you are going to do. You're going to find a brush, then fill it like this. I'm using brush one, so you're going to fill it, or use any brush you want to use to just fill that side. Now let's continue. Can you see that? So let me continue. Now I decided to use my pencil because it's okay for me and it's giving me what I want. So I'm using my primary pencil. Understand? Because of why, the shiny stuff, one is shining, and anytime I lower it, anytime I raise the edges, is kind of shining. So now this is what I'm going to be doing on this hair detailing. This is what I'm going to be doing. Stroke it. You're going to be can you see what I'm doing here? So you're going to make it, you're going to be stroking it. Don't break it, understand? Don't break it. Just stroke it like this. I said, don't give much space. Understand? Don't give much space. So follow this direction, like follow it, curve it. Don't make it straight. Don't make it obvious. So this way I'm going to be doing. It's very simple. So I'm going to create a layer above it like this, so I can be able to do this one.